Yo, what's going on, YouTube? And welcome back. Welcome back. I'm gonna say welcome back about a million times in this video because, like the title says, I'm back. Now, I was gonna make a long ass video explaining why I haven't posted in 4 months. What happened to the car? Do I still have the car? Did I sell the car? Did I get in an accident? You know, a lot of people have been making a lot of speculations on what's been going on, but my friends have been nagging me to post videos. They've been telling me, yo, where are the uploads? Yo, where are the videos? Yo, you said you were gonna drop today. Yo, you said you were gonna drop yesterday. Like, where are the videos? So I'm gonna stop prolonging this and I'm just gonna post this short video letting you guys know that I'm back and the content is back, the videos are back, the car has never left, the car has always been here. I've been driving it this whole time. If you guys go to the shorts tab on my channel, you would see that I've been posting random shorts, but the actual videos I took a break from just because, one, I was burnt out from dropping a video every other day, and also life started lifing and I had to focus on those things. So, you know, I took a little break, but now I'm back and I'm better and the car is here. Clearly I'm in the car. I've been in the car this whole time. From now on, I'm not gonna post as much as I was posting, but I'm gonna stay consistent throughout the whole year. I'm gonna post every Monday at 5 p.m. Every Monday you guys are gonna get a video, and if there's a second video or a third video that I post, it's gonna be on a random day during the week, maybe a Tuesday, maybe a Wednesday, maybe a Friday, who knows. But if you want to be tuned in to everything that I'm posting, just make sure that you're subscribed and make sure that you have that post notification bell on, because if not, YouTube likes to play this game where it doesn't even notify you that I dropped. With that being said, as soon as you're done watching this video, I'm gonna post another video today, right now. So the other video just went live. So if you want to see me race a Q50 from a dig, from a roll, we basically did it all that night. Pause. Make sure to go tap in with that video. But yeah, guys, that's basically why I've been gone. That's basically why I haven't been posting. Nothing really happened. I just got burnt out and, you know, some life stuff happened. I took care of it and, you know, now I'm back. So like I was saying, make sure to give this video a like if you're excited that we're back, or if you missed the content. If anything, just give this video a like just to show me that you guys actually want this content. Drop a comment if you have a video idea, or if you want me to do a certain type of video or certain content, just drop it down below, let me know. Also, follow the car's Instagram page. It's right here on the screen. If you guys are thinking about doing YouTube, or you're already doing YouTube, or you want any tips and tricks, or you guys want to know my setup, how I record these videos, go DM me on that Instagram and I'll be more than happy to help anybody. Yeah, guys, I'm not I don't even know how to say it in English, but I'm not like a huele bicho. Like, if you ask for help and I have the answers that you're looking for, I'm more than happy to help you out. I'm gonna get back to everyone, I promise you. Just give me some time. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you on the next one. We got a whole bunch of videos lined up already.